Hello students. Today we are going to start a new topic in English language, that is sentences lesson 1. The contents that we are going to discuss are as follows: sentence definition with examples, kinds of sentences. Under this topic we will study about assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence and imperative sentence. Children, to speak, read and write we make use of sentences. So what exactly is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. It means that a sentence is a collection of words or a group of words that are arranged in such a way that they tell us something which makes sense. It is sensible to us. So only when a group of words which make sense, it is called a sentence. Let's understand with the help of an example. Blue is the sky. This is the group of words, but is it conveying any meaning? No. So it is not a sentence. Now rearranging the same words and we write it like this: the sky is blue. This is a meaningful sentence? Yes, this is a meaningful sentence as it is conveying a complete thought, a complete meaning, and we are able to know the color of the sky, that is blue. So this is a sentence. Characteristics of a sentence. So what are the characteristics of a sentence? A sentence must have a complete meaning, a complete thought. A sentence must have a subject and a verb, and a sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. Based on different meaning and thoughts, sentences are divided into 4 types: assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence and exclamatory sentence. First kind of sentence is an assertive sentence. What is an assertive sentence? A sentence that says something is called an assertive sentence. It ends with a full stop. Means an assertive sentence always states or declares something. Assertive sentence is also known as declarative sentence, as it declares or states something and it always ends with a full stop. Let's see some examples. The dog is man's best friend. Here we are telling an information based on experiences that dog is always the best friend of man. Here we are telling or we are stating the information about dog. Hence the sentence is an assertive sentence. Next example, the sandwich is very tasty. Here we are telling information about the taste of sandwich. So this sentence is an assertive sentence. Next example, she is a beautiful girl. Here we are defining or telling the beauty of a girl. So this is an assertive sentence. An assertive sentence declares or states something and it always ends with a full stop. Second kind of sentence is interrogative sentence. What is an interrogative sentence? Any sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. They end with a question mark. Let's see some examples. Who is the girl standing at the door? Where is my book? All these sentences are asking questions and they are ending with a question mark. So, these are interrogative sentence. Third kind of sentence is exclamatory sentence. What is an exclamatory sentence? A sentence which expresses a sudden feeling is known as an exclamatory sentence. They end with an exclamation mark. Means any sentence that shows what the speaker is feeling, whether he is feeling happy, whether he is feeling sad or angry. Such type of sentences are called exclamatory sentence and they end with an exclamation mark. Let's see some examples. That is a huge fish. Here we are expressing the feeling of surprise by seeing the size of a fish. What a beautiful day. Here we are expressing an emotion of happiness after having a nice day. So, such sentences are called exclamatory sentence as they express the emotion or feeling of the speaker. Fourth kind of sentence is imperative sentence. So, what is an imperative sentence? A sentence that indicates a request, advice, suggestion, instruction, command or order is called an imperative sentence. They end with a full stop. Means a sentence that expresses a command, order, request, suggestion is called an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence ends with a full stop. Let's see some examples. Please keep quiet. Here, the teacher is requesting the child to sit quiet. Don't go too close to the fire. Here, the mother is advising or instructing his son not to go too close to the fire. So, sentences which indicate command, order, suggestion, request are called imperative sentences. Okay, thank you students.